You are not honest.
Don't do like this, man. Don't do like this.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aduh, tadi riuh banget ya nih. Akhirnya secara drama-drama bisa masuk. Dan sekarang aku udah di dalam pesawat. Dan I'm so excited, so happy because I finally get a chance to attend New York Fashion Week. Oh my god, it's like my dreams come true. Ini thank you banget buat customer juga yang kasih aku kesempatan experience this. Jadi aku juga mau kalian experience with me. Keep on following my journey. Akhirnya sudah di pesawat. Awan Clinton careless. Tadi aku pesan teh sama madu sama mushroom soup. I love mushroom soup. Tapi nggak semua mushroom soup aku bisa suka. So let's try this one. Oh my god, so good. Jarang-jarang gue dapet mushroom soup yang enak. Dan di sini Andolita. I'm having really bad sore throat. Udah kayak I think around 10 days. And aku tadi ke WC dan belum tahu ternyata gue dapet metong lah ikan deh. Pantesan kayak I'm very emotional unstable. Sebenarnya kayak mikir-mikir agak regret sih ya, gue upgrade business class, kayak gue tambahin 20 magenta nih. Soalnya waktu itu kan aku mikirnya kayak aduh bakal capek banget segala macam, but anyway pengalaman aja. Mungkin aku lagi masih tingkat dewa jadinya ambil keputusannya agak short gitu, but dipikir-pikir juga karena aku lagi saving up buat beli rumah segala macam, agak sayang sih ya. Udahlah, sudah terjadi pelajaran. Kalau misalnya mengambil keputusan jangan cepat-cepat. Semoga kembali rezeki aja deh. Sudah aku makan, habis itu aku makan dulu ya guys. Di saat aku nanti buka, kita udah nyampe transfer. Oke, semoga nggak ada masalah nantinya. I arrived in Abu Dhabi, but I just wake up. It's beautiful. Finally, setelah transit 4 jam, sekarang saatnya kita akan masuk ke gate 61. Mana kayak itu? Alright, there we go. Epic banget ketika lo traveling dan ternyata lo dapet dan lupa bawa softtek. Untung aja di airportnya, di airlinesnya ada pad gitu nih. Such a big plane. This is Silva. Alright, this is my seat. Di sini juga ada kompartemen gitu. Tuh, bisa taruh barang. Ini bisa taruh barang juga. Alright, I just clean my face, wash, and put some skincare. It's gonna be like really long flight, around 13 hours. Yep. I just have some problems and I'm more sensitive, so like I cry again, like oh my god. I don't like when I'm on period. I barely do that, but just like I just had a problem, so I gotta tell you guys. See, I told you I'm still a normal people. Well, pasti pada bilangnya normal aku sih naik bisnis kelas tinta nih. Ini sekali-kali naik bisnis boleh dong nek, ya kan. Karena aku juga banyak banget ya kan kerjaan aku kurang tidur, ya kan. Some excuses for me, it's okay ya guys. Nanti nggak lagi kok.
Eat something, you have to pay tax, and then there is the option for tip. Tip is a trend here. If you want to pay, pay. If you don't want to pay, don't pay. But tip is a trend. If you've been here before, you know everybody pay tip here, man.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks for understanding, man. Please try to understand. We're not crazy people. We're honest people, man. Because where are you going? If you go to Midtown, there's only two zones, like Queens and then straight to Manhattan. You are going downtown, and we have to hit. You see, you're going here downtown.
You know you've been cheated, and you don't like to be cheated, right?
Yeah, ma'am, you're right. But you know, in the United States, everything is systematic. You know it very well. You know, we don't charge it. Nobody can cheat here, ma'am.
No, Uber is a fixed price.
Again, I'm telling you, everywhere you go, he told you the price, yellow price per zone. Where are you going? It depends. Sometimes you are going to Jersey, they give you a price, but that's a zone price. And then traffic, you know, that makes something crazy. If we want to make our living a $5,000 a month, it means we need at least 4 or 5 jobs. If we stuck in one job, how can we make our living, ma'am? So traffic pressure and traffic charges imposed on the job. Sometimes this ride is crazy. Sometimes it takes 2 hours. You see the traffic, ma'am, both ways. This is a peak hours.
Totally cheating me, you know.
Oh my God. Okay. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to say. Because I'm telling you, we're going parallel. If we go from there, you know, look, you can understand the situation, the directions. You're going there, right there.
I know.
Yeah. So if I go straight and then we have to make a left and we go like this, parallel. If you're going there in Midtown, definitely this is the wrong way. You got me, ma'am?
I got it.
If I go straight, then if you're...
I don't know why the Google can say it over there.
Miss, because that's another big toll in tunnel. I avoided that one to put you another pressure. Then again we have to take a bridge, the third toll. The company doesn't allow us to put another toll on the... You check Google, there's a toll in the tunnel or not. So again, bridge, you have to pay one more toll. I saved your one toll. And that's not a big difference, might be a couple of minutes difference. Because we have to go straight.
You are not honest.
Don't do like this, man. Don't do like this.
wait here.
Sorry?
Wait here.
Ma'am, excuse me. Excuse me.
What?
What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you doing like this? Why are you not paying me?
I want to pay you, I swear.
Pay me 100. Pay me 100.
Hi guys, I finally in the room already, cooling down, and so I just got a crazy experience. It's totally my fault, and I'm just so stupid. I shouldn't trust people so easily, so I just have a crazy day. Intinya I don't clear my mind, and then when I want to get into the yellow cab, I wanted to buy a SIM card kan. Terus tiba-tiba kayak ada cowok India, terus dia bilang kayak, oh I'm a Uber driver gitu kan. Terus aku bilang, ya wait, I need to buy a SIM card first. Terus kayak dia bilang, oh don't buy SIM card here because it's more expensive. Terus sekarang aku lagi queuing gitu kan. Terus ya udah, kayak somehow tuh aku percaya aja sama dia, aku ikut dia. Terus padahal udah di stop loh sama orang airport di sana tadi. Don't go with him. Apa namanya, kalau misal belum tahu berapa harganya segala macam. Terus intinya dia bilang gini, oh harganya $70 kok gitu. Dia udah kasih lihat. Terus sama orang situ bilangnya kalau dari taksi $65 loh. Terus kayak somehow kayak aku mungkin udah capek, udah males, ya udahlah, ya udah deh, cuma beda $5 doang, fine. Dia juga udah ambil luggage aku. So anyway tuh kok gue gampang percaya gitu banget ya gitu. Terus udah gitu ya udah dong, udah naik mobil. Terus kayak dia tuh kayak trying kayak really nice. Terus aku kan juga agak cuek-cuek gitu kan. Terus anyway pas nyampe intinya tuh kayak aduh kok feel I doesn't feel right ya, gimana gitu. Karena waktu pas tengah-tengah gitu, pas dia buka apps-nya gitu tuh kayak aku ngeliat udah 100-an lebih. Kaget dong, aku bilang why is it 100 plus? Terus dia bilang kayak, oh ini soalnya kan macet gini kan, orang biasa Uber nggak kayak gitu kok, aku bilang gitu kan. So anyway ini tuh kayak dia tuh ngebohong pakai nama Uber, jadi tuh dia nggak pakai Uber. Terus aku emang handphonenya tuh nggak ada internet. Pas kebetulan aku udah buka ke Indigo Hotel itu, pokoknya intinya masih bisa lihat deh. Terus aku lihat dia tuh ngambil yang direction yang macet, tau gak sih? Jadi kayak aku bilang, ini lo kok lewat sini, ini kan macet gitu. Terus bilang enggak kok, ini pokoknya ya ada aja deh alasannya gitu. Intinya harga jadi $240. Terus aku kayak, lu tuh bohong ya, you're cheating gitu loh. Terus kayak gitu intinya pas dia minta 240, terus aku kasih lihat dompet aku cuma ada $100. Terus aku lihat dia, ini duit gue cuma ada $100, makanya kalau mau gue ambil duit nih dari apa hotel gitu, ikut gue. Dia lock me in the car, dia nggak buka. Terus aku buka window, terus aku bilang, ya udah, aku mau minjem duit dulu sama teman aku karena aku cuma ada $100. Ya udah intinya dikeluarin barang segala macam. Terus dia bilang kayak aku nggak respect dia lah segala macam. Gimana gue bisa respect, dia udah ngebohongin gue, ya nggak sih? Kayak terus dia tahan, terus dia bilang gini, lu bayar gue dulu 100 deh. Ya udah aku kasih dia 100. Terus tiba-tiba dia pergi, kayak karena ada orang di situ kan. Soalnya orangnya bilang gini, gila nih lu dibohongin banget sih, $100 tuh juga mahal banget. Biasanya cuman 50-60 dolaran doang, parah sih. Kayak it was crazy experience. Atau mungkin gue juga kayak lagi dapet, pokoknya kayak ya udahlah ya, I don't want to blame anyone, but like I was too tired. Kayak kerja nonstop, tidurnya nggak cukup, cuma 3 jam 4 jam tiap hari. I have to deal a lot of things juga. Biasanya tuh sebelumnya aku pernah experience kan ya, kamera aku hilang pas di Bali juga segala macam. Aku nggak pernah share di sosial media. Biasa aku nggak pernah share ya kayak gini-gini. Walaupun kayak aku pernah ditipu lah, dicuri lah barangnya, aku nggak pernah benar-benar share di sosial media. Tapi aku realize bahwa harusnya aku tuh dari dulu share ya. Karena tuh kalau nggak ntar banyak orang kena tipu gitu loh. Makanya sekarang aku share ke kalian tentang apa yang terjadi di New York ini gitu. Ya udah, aku mau mandi, aku mau tidur aja. I don't feel like to eat even though I'm hungry like. Aku juga udah capek nangis-nangis dari tadi. I was shaking, kayak kaget banget. But anyway, I'm safe. Tuhan udah ngasih aku masih selamat. Ya udah, terima kasih Tuhan. Barang-barang aku juga nggak ada yang diambil, aku masih sehat. Ya udah, tomorrow is gonna be a new day. Okay. Thank you for following me this today. See you in the next vlog. Bye. Hamba udara di sini.
Kaget Akika melihat desert dicopet di Amerika.